Hi, I'm Ben Solomon, founder of Propulsion Physics Inc. and the Exodus One Foundation. In this video blog, I will describe the three types of communities that exist with respect to future propulsion, gravity modification, and interstellar propulsion. The future propulsion community consists of three groups as depicted in this Venn diagram: the naysayers, the advanced rocket group, and the new physics group. The naysayers group consists primarily of theoretical physicists who do not believe that theoretical physics allows for gravity modification or interstellar travel in the near future. That is, they believe that the mathematics used in their theoretical physics models are so difficult that these equations cannot be solved easily, and it will be several hundred years before they are able to do so. The advanced rocket group essentially believe no new physics is required. Only advanced engineering concepts like nuclear fusion and antimatter engines are sufficient. Failing that, very powerful conventional chemical rockets is all that it takes. Groups like Tau Zero, Centauri Dreams, Icarus Project, and even NASA's breakthrough propulsion physics fall into this group. And there is this overlap between the new physics group and the advanced rocket group. These are essentially theoretical physicists who believe that some form of advanced quantum theory or string theory, very advanced quantum theory or string theory, is possible to generate rocket propulsion to reach the stars. In other words, these are not new physics people. They are old physics, theoretical physicists who are attempting to use mathematical models to extend the life of and the usefulness of string or quantum gravity theories. And the last group, the new physics group, understand that new physics is required to solve gravity modification and interstellar propulsion physics. We cannot use an old physics like quantum theory or string theory to solve these problems. In many ways, the naysayers group and the new physics group concur with each other. The issue is in the timing. The naysayers do not believe future propulsion such as gravity modification and interstellar travel is possible in our lifetimes because the mathematics is that difficult to solve. The new physics group believe that a new physics is available or should be available in our lifetimes, which is much easier and simpler than the existing quantum and string theories. The Exodus One Foundation and the Propulsion Physics Inc. belong to this new physics group. What caused me to do this video blog today was the receipt of an email from a member of the 3AF, that is the French European equivalent of the AIAA in the US, AIAA being American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. And let me read his email. We are part of the French 3AF, French European equivalent to the AIAA. Some of our members are ex-engineers from CNES and are very interested into propulsion, but also gravity control, relationship between EM and gravity, etc. Best. This is outstanding. Why? Because there are others in other parts of the world who are actively seeking to modify gravity as a propulsion technology. In a previous blog, I had stated that there are about 60 of us around the world in 16 countries who have investigated gravity modification. Many of them have stopped doing so, and so it was very refreshing to receive this email from France. While I'm talking about the French and the Europeans, I must also include that last year in 2013, I received 3 offers from the Chinese to allow them to come to the United States to study or research with me some of the gravity modification physics that I have solved. And one of these Chinese researchers is a full-blown professor who was a guest lecturer at the Max Planck Institute in Germany. I'm very honored and treasure these requests. To the Chinese, I have had to say no because I have to very seriously consider ITA, International Traffic in Arms Regulation, which prevents us from doing a lot of things.